Okay, first of all, sorry about the light, but it is in the morning, less noise, and I don't know if you realize this video was deleted. It went so well, but you know what? Doesn't matter who deleted, really. It was not for me anyway. I have over, I don't know how many videos, but really over 50, maybe even 100. It took me 2 months to make this table, to prepare also the wood. And this was so important for some of you who asked me. So it doesn't matter. I will look to find as much videos to put them together so you can see it again. I hope you don't mind. Yes, it was really strange. But anyway, it doesn't matter. There are people around us who don't appreciate or who are jealous. So we have to be very careful. I am embracing everything because I'm learning. So this is not a big problem. There are other problems bigger than that. I'm very lucky because I can create, because I can look after my mom. She appreciated, and my family too. And thank God also you. You can hold it here. Look, you can put your finger here. You have to turn it around. Okay? Just a minute. 1, 2. And turn it around, turn it around. Hold it here like this. Turn it around. So now hold it here. In here. So what do you think?
Nice.
Like it?
Very nice. So beautiful.